Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I recently have been fortunate enough to come across some vintage Gucci bags, and today I'm doing an unboxing of one that I recently found from a family friend, and she gifted this to me, so I'm super excited to show you. It comes with a dust bag, which is fantastic, and there it is. It's super cute. It is has a long shoulder strap, and it has the front pocket. You can open up here. It's a little bit dirty inside. I'm going to clean this up a bit. I'm going to clean the inside so I can use it. You can see the nice hardware is a little bit tarnished, but that's okay. I'm going to clean this up. Overall, the quality is really good. Doesn't look like she used this very much. And then it has a zipper on top. And here is the tag with the ID code, the Gucci label. And the inside is not sticky at all, and it's super clean. And it looks amazing. I'm so excited. Here's the back of the bag. Yeah, it looks amazing. I can't wait to start using this. This is going to be a great addition to my collection. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul.